Hi friends, good morning. As all the banking aspirants are waiting for the notifications, here the IBPS, that is Institute of Banking and Personal Selection, has released the notification for the recruitment of the officers, that is Scale 1, Scale 2 and Scale 3, and Office Assistants Multi-Purpose in Regional Rural Banks, that is RRBs. This phase of online examination is held in two phases, that is in prelims exams and also the mains exams. Here the tentative dates for the online registration is 1st July to 21st July, and also payment for application fees also will be from 1st July to 21st July, and the prelims exam is going to conducted in October month of 2020, and the mains exam will be in October to November of 2020. Final allotment will be in January of 2021. Certain age relaxations are mentioned here. For office assistant multi-purpose post, the candidate should be lie between the 18 years and also 28 years. The candidate should not have been born earlier of 7th July 1992. And for the officer scale 1 post, candidate must be having the 18 years age and also below 30 years age. He should not born on July 3rd, 1990. And certain age relaxations shall be provided for the certain type of categories, that is scheduled tribe having 5 years of age relaxation and other backward classes having 3 years of age relaxation. As I already mentioned, we have the online examination conducted in two phases, that is preliminary examination and also mains examination. In prelims, office assistant, that is multi-purpose of having the two sections, that is the reasoning sections and also numerical ability section, each of having 40 questions in each section, and total consists of 80 marks with a duration of the time of 45 minutes. For the officer scale 1 also having the two sections, that is the reasoning and also quantitative aptitude sections. These also having the 40 marks and 40 marks in each sections and total of 80 marks, and duration is 45 minutes. Those who are qualify in the prelims exam, they are only allowed to write the mains examination. In mains examinations, there will be of 5 sections, that is reasoning, computer knowledge, general awareness section, English language and also numerical ability section. If those people who don't know the English language also have they can opt Hindi as a main language. Here also having questions of 40 questions in each section, and the total maximum marks is 200, and duration of this examination is of 2 hours. In the same way, we are also having the officer assistants having the reasoning section, computer knowledge section, awareness section, English language or Hindi language section, and quantitative aptitude section. Application fees should be payable from 1st July to 21st July. For the officer scale 1 and scale 2 and scale 3, for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe candidates, it should be of rupees 175 rupees, and for the other candidates it is of 850 rupees, as it is same for office assistant multi-purpose also. And application should be applied through online only, and also mode of payment is also through online mode. So please be hurry guys, those who are preparing for the bank exams, please apply for this. This is a golden opportunity for this time. It is having released of 640 posts, so please be hurry and apply this for the job. The procedure for applying online is, the candidates first required to go to the IBPS official website page, that is www.ipbs.in. In that, click on the home page. There you can find the appropriate link for the online application. There we have to click for new registration page. In that, please fill your basic information, and after that an email and SMS notification is sent for your email and also for your phone number which was given in that basic information. And candidates are required to upload their photography, signature, left thumb impression and also handwritten declaration, and candidates must have these scanned copies. So please be hurry guys, those who are preparing for the bank exams, please apply because there is a less short time, that is from 1st July to only up to 21st July there will be opening of an application form. So please fill them. And also this time there is a huge vacancy of, that is 9640 posts. So don't miss this opportunity. Okay, thank you for all the aspirants. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.